Hello, everybody. Welcome to my English class. Today we are talking about conditional. So we are going to start. First, you have to know what is a conditional. When we have a conditional, it's important to know that conditional we use for hypothetical activity or for hypothetical or imaginary action. For example, if I have money, I will buy a new apartment. That is an example. So, look at the first image. We have different types of conditional. These conditionals depend about what conditional we use. For example, we use zero conditional to talk about the action that happened in present. That's one condition for to know another condition. So, zero conditional use the present and real factual action. What is the meaning? What is the grammar? First, you have to know the clause or the first parts in simple present, and the main clause if the second parts in the same times. Look at this example. If I studied hard, I always pass my exam. Simple present and simple present. That is the same. So, another example. You say if you studied English, you have a new good job. You know that is the zero conditional and an actual event. For example, if the water is hot, the water is boiled, for example. So for conditional, we use for conditional for the future and real situation. In this case, you can use the clause, the if, in simple present, and the other main clause used in future will, future simple future. So, look at the example. If I study hard, I will pass my exam. If I have money, I will get a good job. Look at it. Second conditional. We use second conditional to talk about the future or an real or an imaginary situation. This is for a situation that you look at happen, but this is not real in this moment. For example, if I have times, I will go to Cartagena. For example, if I have a new job, I will buy a new car. That is the important in this second conditional. Grammar. The first clause is in simple past, and the other clause, the main clause, is in future will. It's so important to know about these tense, about this grammar. Next, third and the last conditional. The last conditional or the third conditional we use for a past in real situation or for imaginary situation too. Well, the grammar is like different than the second conditional because you need to past perfect and the main clause, the other clause is in would have. It's so important to use would have. So the example, if I had studied hard, I would have passed my exams. It's a little different. So, if I had money, I would have a new car. That is my example. Next, look at this example. That is the question. In this moment, you can have practice with me. I ask you, one student, and you ask me, and you answer to me, what is the your opinion? For example, for me, what would you do if you won the lottery? So, for me, if I won the lottery, I would travel around the world. Yeah, it's my case. It's my case. But look at this example. If I won the lottery, I can imagine what my life would be like if I won the lottery. Wow, I could do so many things, and my life would have so be different. I would love to change my life with my money. The first thing is I will do is buy a big new house. I live in a small apartment and I have always dreaming or living in a big house in the country with all the money. I could buy anything and I want. I won't have a car right now, so I will buy a new car. All right. How about you? What is your opinion? Ask me and ask another partners in this class. All right, 5 minutes for that. Let's continue. Let's continue. So in this moment, you can this video, a YouTube video about conditional if for explain more this activity. So I choose one specific video. I check the video for a link, for an interlink for you. This is the video for this, you know, and you can add and you can see this video for the class. That is the other part to the class. Excellent. When you finish, you say me, teacher, I finished. Really? Let's continue. In this moment, you ask me a question if you don't understand the item. No question? Is so clear? Excellent. Amazing. So, for the other item, I can see this and I send a link. This link is a goal for practice this activity. If you choose the correct answer, they for add you 1 points. That if you choose the good answer, you got 10 points. So it's moment that you do this. Amazing. When you finish, you say me and I can see your points. Amazing. So great. And the last part is about the assessment. For this occasion, I send you a link for practice and see you next class for practice this conditional if. That's all for today. Was a pleasure stay here with you. Thank you very much. See you next class.